One of the oldest heads-up categories with NMRA is Richmond Gear Factory Stock. And Holly NMRA Ford Drag Racing is all about action and performance. And I'm standing here with back-to-back world champion Mike Bowen. Mike, incredible year now. So from what I understand, you were telling me one event win, but this year was really all about consistency, doing well at every event. Even though the winner's circle only happened one time, you won a world championship. Tell me about that journey.
We just snuck up on it all season long. We just try to be cautious and take our time and make good moves.
Now you have an interesting group of competitors in factory stock. Tell me about some of the, what that community is like.
The community is great. Even guys in the class, we've helped out with everybody that we possibly can. Anybody needs the help, we reach out and offer them up parts or whatever we need to get them going.
Now, NMRA is celebrating 25 years. This is the only event on our schedule that's unbroken. We've been here 25 straight years at Beach Bend Raceway. How does it feel to win a championship standing at this historic facility?
This is actually my favorite place to race. I look forward to coming to here every single year. We love this place. The hills of Kentucky is fabulous.
It really is, no doubt.
Yep.
How about any sponsors you need to thank right now? Of course, at PRI, you can thank everybody.
Really for sponsors, I gotta thank all my buddies. Really, I mean, we don't carry much for sponsorship. Michael at L&M Engines is probably the biggest sponsor that we have. He helps me out a lot.
And you got a great crew and a great family, right? So tell me about them.
We do. I've got my wife and who's with us this weekend, and my son who couldn't be with us this weekend, and I've got all my buddies, Sean Olson and Brett Fouts and Chris Niebauer and Ron Don. Can't forget about Ron Don. Brian Gardner. We got a bunch of guys helping us out this weekend. So yeah, it works out real good.
Well, I can tell you, relationships are priceless, and so is winning a world championship in factory stock. Mike Bowen.